Gravitation, the universal force of attraction between objects with mass, weaves a silent tapestry in the fabric of space-time. Every particle of matter draws every other particle toward itself. This invisible bond shapes the motions of planets, stars, and galaxies, guiding them along their cosmic paths. One intriguing consequence of gravitation is gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Imagine the Milky Way as a massive magnifying glass, bending and distorting the light from objects behind it. When massive celestial bodies like galaxies or galaxy clusters are positioned between distant light sources and observers, their gravitational pull warps the space-time around them, causing light to curve and create captivating visual distortions. This cosmic lensing effect has enabled astronomers to peer deeper into the universe, revealing hidden galaxies, dark matter, and even more distant objects that would otherwise remain obscured. It's as if the gravity of these massive structures acts as a cosmic telescope, allowing us to glimpse the secrets of the cosmos that would otherwise be beyond our reach. Gravitation and gravitational lensing, these intertwined phenomena continue to provide us with insights into the nature of space-time and the enigmatic depths of the universe. As we gaze through the lens of cosmic distortion, we're reminded that the universe is a master storyteller, revealing its secrets through the interplay of light and gravity. Gravitational lensing serves as a reminder that the most ordinary things can become extraordinary when viewed from a different perspective, and that even the vast expanse of space-time can bend to the will of an unseen force.